We heard you. No lights under your lid really sucks. So we set out to solve this problem. But what we didn't want to do is go to the local hardware store, grab a $40 light with a rechargeable battery in it and stick it up, because that sucks nearly as bad. What you don't want to have happen is your light fail on you when you're on the job site in the dark or out in the bush. Introducing the Utemaster Load-Lid light. This light is hardwired into your vehicle's battery system and comes with a fail-safe mode. So if you forget to turn your light off and you shut your lid down like this, the micro switch is going to turn it off, so you don't have to worry about your battery going flat in the middle of the night. But that's not enough. There's one thing that really sucks when you're out in the bush at night, and that's white lights. You have to get out the massive bug spray. That should do it. No, that's not good enough. Introducing amber light mode, specially designed to keep the bugs away at night. Now, fixed position light mounts are all well and good, but if you need to see further than just your tub, we've got just the solution for you. Introducing our 360-degree swivel mount work light solution. Flick it on with the switch, and then you can adjust it to any position around your ute, whether it be on the work site or the campsite. At Utemaster, we have a mantra: everything we do has to be built for what matters. So that's why we've gone to the nth degree with this new system, from cast aluminium housings to take a pounding, aluminium bash plates and cable covers. You can see this truck here, it's not just a studio truck, it's actually been used and it's taken a pounding. Look at those gouges, and the cables have been protected. So if that's important to you, don't waste any more time, secure yourself a set today. Built for what matters, so you can get stuff done and enjoy life's adventures.